The early 2000s saw its fair share of fashion hits and misses, give and take a few meh moments. Despite some of the cringiest trends from the early 2000s being the most highlighted, these trends hopped on the nostalgia train and set out to the 2020s, prepared to shake the fashion scene up. Here are some of the best that we would like to stay forever. Popularized by early 2000s folks, the often oversized rimless accessories were faves for both the day and the nighttime. Club goers and revelers out and about would take to the style and stole plenty of cameos on red carpets and TV and movie screens alike. Rectangle was the shape and tinted lenses were the staple, with various designer brands going neck to neck for the most coveted sunnies for the summer or for the year. Here are some of the brands that can help you achieve a look money-making faces in the industry are clamoring for. While monochromatic, ombre, and brightly colored hair seemingly gained some traction in the mid to late 90s, hair highlights were the big thing in the 2000s. Regardless of how it was styled, color-blocked hair across the spectrum was sure to garner some attention. Bonus points were darker highlights on lighter hair. With tooth gems leading the pack on this one, any sparkling items including makeup, accessories, and clothes all had to have a little extra razzle-dazzle. From diamante hoops to bedazzled phones and phone cases, to diamante waist chains and belts, to bikinis, baby tees, and your fave low-rise jeans, everything had to sparkle and shine. The more creative you are with the accessories, the better. The DIY trend was very much alive and kicking in the early 2000s, so it's not a surprise that upcycle clothes have also made a huge comeback. Whether it's an old t-shirt you got from the bottom of your ex's pajama drawer or a brand new pair of Levi's, upcycled outfits have taken over, with TikTok serving as grounds to infinite ideas on how to upcycle nearly, if not all, articles of clothing in your room. We have seen an increase in people curating the DIYs they like to suit their personal style and ultimately help people not so open or aware of the fashion industry's effect on our earth and its resources to get more into shopping sustainably through thrifting and creating entirely new looks from old clothes instead of discarding them. Teeny tiny bags that can barely accommodate your phone and lip gloss at the same time have been back for a minute now and show no signs of stopping. Brand name or not, upcycled or not, the 2020s have you boasting at least one bag in your collection. With jewelry, the trend remains the more unique the piece, the better. Also a top trending fashion statement, chunky, colorful, and playful pieces are all the rage. Preferably handmade, these pieces are eye-catching, affordable, attainable, and highly customizable. Some honorable mentions include jelly furniture, baby colors, plush fabrics, and denim everything. Trends come and go with every other season. Sometimes they're actually something to write home about. As long as you shop with a good head on your shoulders and pick items that are not only worth the spend, but also suit your personal style, you'll be okay. Is there a trend from the early 2000s that you absolutely adore? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.